Guys, welcome back to my channel Mr. Math Marathon. Please don't forget to subscribe before the starting video, guys. So today we are going to know about exercise number 7.2 integration second exercise. This is part 1 video. I'll keep part 2 video in my description, so please go and check in description. There will be a link, click on that, you'll get an part 2 video. So let's start part 1 video of exercise number 7.2. okay. So before starting video, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Okay, so let's start, bro. First question, they're asking integration 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So here's the solution, guys. So we need to take this one as I. So let I is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, integration dx. So what do we get? We need to take t as 1 plus x square. So what do we get? Differentiate this one, we'll get 2x dx is equals to dt. So dx is equals to dt by 2x. So I is equals to integration 2x by t into dt by 2x. So 2x cancel out each other. Here in the dx place I have substituted dt by 2x, so I got this one. So 2x by t into dt by 2x. 2x cancel out each other. So we are left off to a dt by t. So what is that? Log mod t plus c. So what is t? Log mod 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer. Okay, so let's move on. Second question, asking integration log x whole square by x dx. We need to take log x as t. Okay, so what do we get? 1 by x dx is equals to dt, right? So dx is equals to x dt. This became very simple, right? So I is equals to integration t square. Why I have written t? Because log x we have taken t now. So t square by x into, in dx place we need to substitute x dt. So x dt, x cancel out each other. So we are left out with integration tx square dt. So what is integration x square? X cube by 3, no? So we'll get t cube by 3 plus c. In t you substitute it log x whole power 3 by 3 plus c. Here's the answer. Okay, so let's move on. Third question, integration 1 by x plus x log x dx. So here's the solution. I is equals to integration 1 by x plus x log x, right? We need to assume I is equals to this one. So what do we get? We need to take here 1 plus log x. First of all, you simplify this one. 1 by, you should take x common in this. So x into 1 plus log. Okay, 1 plus log x. We got integration 1 by x into 1 plus log x. Okay, so let's move on. There we got no integration 1 by x into 1 plus log x. Okay, so here we'll get we need to take 1 plus log x as t. So we'll get log x is 1 by x. So dx is equals to x dt, right? You simplify, you'll get this one, dx is equals to x dt. So in here I is equals to integration 1 by x into t, right, into x dt. What do we get? X cancel out each other. dt by t again. So what is that one formula? Log mod t plus c. whenever you got dt by t, you need to take log mod t plus c. So t we have taken 1 plus log x, so log of 1 plus log x plus c, that's it. Okay, don't confuse guys. So let's move on to the fourth question. Sin x into sine of cos x dx. So here we need to take cos x as t. Okay, cos x is equals to t, so we'll get cos integration of differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, right? So minus sin x dx is equals to dt. So here dx is equals to dt by minus sin x. So integration sin x I is equals to into sine of t into in dx place we need to substitute dt by minus sin x. Okay, so sin x cancel out each other, we are left out with negative and sin t dt. Okay, so we get I is equals to integration minus sin t dt. Okay, so minus negative will come outside, so minus integration of sin t is, what is integration of sin x? It's cos x, no, so sorry, minus cos x, so minus cos t dt, right? So we have got minus minus is plus, right? Plus cos x, cos of t, I mean cos t plus c. In t place we need to substitute cos x because we have taken t as cos x, so this is positive. So cos of cos x plus c is the answer, that's it. So let's move on. Next question is fifth question. Integration sin x, sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Don't skip the video, please watch till the end. So here's the solution. We should take I as t, I as this one. Okay, so what do we get? We need to take sine ax plus b as t. Okay, so we'll get when we differentiate this, we'll get what is differentiation of sin x is cos x, right? So cos x in an internal derivation we need to do for ax. B is constant 0. For ax we'll get a, okay, into a, okay, dx is equals to dt. Okay, so dx is equals to dt by a cos ax plus b, right? So what do we get? Integration t cos ax plus b into dt by a cos ax plus b. Cos ax plus b, cos ax plus b will cancel out each other. A will come outside because it's constant. So so 1 by a integration t dt. Okay, so integration of x is a square, so integration of t is t square. 1 by a into t square by 2 plus c. So answer is t square by sorry guys for not showing. So so t square by 2a plus c, which is equals to, what is t? We have taken t as sine ax plus b the whole square by 2a plus c. Here's the answer. After completing the video, please take screenshot. Okay, you can refer many books like NCERT, so on. I can't give best book to you, you need to choose yourself. Sixth one, root over ax plus b dx. This is a very simple question, guys. Solution. Here we need to take here we can write root ax plus b as ax plus b whole power 1 by 2, right? So dx. So now here's the formula, guys. I'll write here formula. Remember this one. Integration ax plus b whole power n dx is equals to sine ax plus b whole square by 2a plus c. Okay, guys, I have kept link in description for integration all formulas. Please go check that also. Okay, I have written all the formulas from integration chapters. Okay, so after completing the video, go to description and check all my videos. So we need to apply formula here. So ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by a into 1 by 2 plus 1. A is constant, that's why we have written a plus c. Okay, ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 by a into 3 by 2 plus c. So final answer is what? Yes, 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. That's it. So next question, integration x root x plus 2 dx. So here we need to take x plus 2 as t. Okay, x plus 2 is equals to t. So what is x? Differential of this 1, right? So 1 is equals to 1 dx is equals to dt. Okay, so nothing left, 1 is left, so 1 will go down, dt by 1, or we can also say dx is equals to dt. So I is equals to integration x root t, right, into dt. That's it. So so we need to take 1 by 4 outside, dt by 4x actually. Wait, okay, right. Yeah, guys, here we need to write x root x plus 2, right? At here we have taken x plus 2, so x plus 2 dx. So what do we get now? Integration t minus 2 root t dt. Okay, now at last we will left out with integration t power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 2t power 1 by 2 dt. Okay, I'll continue over here. So we'll get t power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into 3 t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. If you don't understand, go back and go back the video and please check again. So where we are. Okay, so 2 by 5 t power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 t power 3 by 2 plus c. So final answer is 2 by 5 x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. That's it. This is a little complicated question, but practice. Okay, so integration, next question is integration x root 1 plus 2x square dx. Yeah, we need to take 1 plus 2x as t. 1 plus 2x square is equals to t. Okay, so what do we get now? Integration of 2x square. 2 is we need to write 2 as separate. 2 into x square is 2x, right? Dx is equals to dt. So now dx is equals to dt by 4x. Okay, So I is equals to integration x root t dx. Okay, so here what is the value of x root t? Here one into dx place we need to substitute dt by 4x. No, sorry, I forgot. X will be cancelled each other. 1 by 4 will come outside as it is constant, so we left out with t power 1 by 2 dt. Root t we can also write as t power 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 4 into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so final answer is minus t power 1 by sorry, I'll write here. Okay, minus t power 1 by okay wait okay, sorry, 1 by 6 because yeah correct, sorry. So what is the answer? Minus t power 3 by 2 by 4 into 3 by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, so 2 here 2 is left out. So what do we get answer as? Minus t power 3 by 2 by 6, that's plus c, that's it. Okay, so let's move on to next question. 9th question. Integration x square 4x plus 2 root over x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, here we need to take x square plus x plus 1 as t. Okay, so what do we get now? Integration 4x plus 2, here when you differentiate it 2x you will get dx is equals to dt by 2x plus 1. Okay, so 4x plus 2 root over t plus root over t dt. Okay, so integration 4x plus 2 root t into by 2x plus 1. Okay, sorry, we can write 4x plus 2 as, by taking 2 common we'll get 2x plus 1, right? Root t into dt by 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 cancel out each other. 2 will come outside as it is constant, so we'll get root t dt. What is integration of root t? 2 into t power 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So we left out with 4 by 3 t power 3 by 2 plus c, that's it answer. Okay, we need to substitute t place. Okay, 4 by 3 into what is t? X square plus x plus 1 whole square, sorry, 3 by 2 plus c, that's it answer. Okay, so final answer of this session, 10th one. From 11th question I have done in part 2, so please go check description, there is part 2. So you'll get from 11th question till 20th, or how many questions are there? Okay, till 20th question it will be there in part 2. So last question for this session is integration 1 by x minus root x dx. Solution. Here we need to take root x common, so what do we get? If we take root x, we get root x minus x. Okay, so I mean 1 root x. Okay, yeah, okay, did you get this? Then we need to take root x minus 1 as t, so what do we get? 1 by root x into t, right? Here when you differentiate this one, you will get integration 1 by integration root x is, what is that? 1 by 2 root x. Okay, equals to t. So here I'll write down, so here dx is equals to 2 root x dt. Okay, so we need to substitute now. Here I is equals to integration 1 by root x into t into root 2 root x dt. Okay, so root x cancel out each other, 2 will come outside because it is constant. So 2 integration dt by t, that's it. 2 log mod t plus c. So here is the answer, guys. 2 log mod, what is t? X root x minus 1 plus c. Here is the t. Okay, that's it. Oh, this page has I've scribbled a lot in this page, sorry for that. So here is the answer. So here we'll end our part 1 of integration chapter. So next, in my next part, I have written from 11th question till 30th or 32nd question. Okay, so please go check in my description. There is a link. I have kept a part 2 video in that. So before going to description, click the red button. What is the red button? Subscribe button. So click on the subscribe button and hit the like button, hit the bell icon, so you'll get all notifications of my channel. So thank you guys, thank you very much for your support. So bye, I'll meet in your next video, my next video. Bye bye.